Hey man, what you gonna tell my YouTube subscribers?
Subscribe. Hello.
Subscribe, hit the bell, notification squad.
The like button.
Yes, ma'am. So hey, don't adjust the channel. You rocking with your boy Blaze. Ain't no telling what we gonna get into today. It's gonna be action packed. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the freshest, the hottest, the newest videos. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about positivity, good energy. But we definitely gonna have fun. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna think smart, but we're gonna have fun more than anything on this channel. But I want y'all to let all your friends know, even your baby mama. All right, so this is my lady's brother's 2009 Pontiac G8. Beautiful car. This been ran down through there. Missing some pieces. It's a small, all this stuff is small fix. It's just kind of hard to find it. This is the G8. Of course, the Pontiac GT version. So that means it has different trim packages. Got the dual exhaust with the quad tips, like a factory diffuser. 2009. So this car is well over 15 years old. I'm not sure what size. All right, so you got some 19s on there. I love those wheels. Definitely a little bit of powder on those brakes will make it stand out, some powder coating. Man, amazing car. I'm gonna pop the hood so y'all can see. He's trying to decide what he's gonna do with it. He definitely wants another car now. And right now the back door on the passenger side is not working how it needs to. Let me see if I can find the keys really quick. I mean, goodness. The keys tell a lot, you know. He's pretty rough on this car. This is her big brother. So it does work. All right. Definitely could tell that that it needs some TLC. I'm gonna pop the hood and I'm gonna go and check that out. Like I said, this car has a lot of potential. It has the sunroof option, not the panoramic roof that a lot of people like. I'm gonna give it a cold start so y'all can hear it. Then I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put it on the I'm gonna just pop the hood so y'all can see it. Like I say, he was having issues with his rear back door, but it won't close. He needs a new latch. I figured out the problem. The return spring is not popping back on the switch, causing it to lock. So the lock is not engaging, and it is what it is. But I'm gonna go ahead and give it a cold start so y'all can hear it. Make sure I set y'all up in a good way. Man, y'all just stay tuned. But I'm trying to decide what should we offer him for this car if we make an offer. But let me go ahead and hit y'all with this cold start, and then I'll give y'all a rundown. Y'all see how many miles on it, and we'll go from there. Got real good healthy ground. Let's see where we are. How many miles this thing got? I think it was like 190 something thousand. I can't remember what it was. Let's see. I mean, got everything on there. Check engine, low pressure light. I gotta figure out how many miles on it. But it does have the 6.2 in there, I believe. The 6.0. If I was to buy it, I think realistically, I would offer them about $1,500. I think that the car is worth probably like $2,000 tops. 2,200, somewhere around that way. As you can see, it does. It's not doing a lot of jumping and stuff from up here. It's running really smooth from this angle. But when you sit inside the car, you can feel the mist. Yeah, it's a 6.0. I can put his information out there. Because he may sell it, he may not sell it. I may be the one to keep it, maybe. I may be the one to buy it and tell her. My lady, she does have a thing for this car. And deep down, I'm a Pontiac guy. And I want something that I can perform with. And this would be a perfect candidate to build for performance. But I mean, man, need new upholstery. Probably pull those panels, snap those panels off, have them sent off, repaired. Do all the upholstery, probably new carpet. I may just have this detail very well. Of, you know, I'm just talking about if I bought this car. I think $1,500 and probably like $2,000 worth of repair. And it'll be something that's already up and running. And I'll be off to the races. I really won't have to do much of nothing but just wrap it, really. This would be a perfect candidate to wrap. But that black is so mean, I probably would just want to just clean up this black, reshoot it black, put a new spoiler on there, maybe a wicker build. I don't know. Let's see if we can get those mileage on there for you. Oh man. So we over here at the powder coaters, man, dropping off everything. So I can see they got a bunch of colors. And we're gonna go with something crazy. Something more in this family right here. I don't think I'm gonna do all the sparkles, but man, he got some options. We have to come back and look at some of these grays and silvers later. Man. Yeah, those are the ball joints for the control arms. Those are the upper control arms. You see, when you don't know? Yeah, I'm not trying to powder coat those, just the arms. Just the arms, yes sir. Like I said, it's brand new though. Yeah, man. All right. No, the Monte Carlo. No, I'm not gonna paint it black. I'm gonna do plum. I'm just painting everything black gloss. Everything under the hood gonna be black gloss.
That looks good.
It's coming together.
It looks real shiny.
You like it?
Yeah, it looks real good.
I'm finna put the fenders and everything back on in here soon. I just need to tighten up a couple bolts on here. Hey man, what you gonna tell my YouTube subscribers?
Subscribe. Hello.
Subscribe, hit the bell, notification squad.
The like button.
Yes, ma'am. So we finna go ahead and load this up. Go ahead, open this door for me so I can throw this bag in here, Trendy.
You saw what?
Throw this bag on it so I can throw my bag in there. Hold on.
It's stuck on your keys. Here.
All right. Yeah. So we finna go ahead and bring the car out of storage for a few days. I really haven't been driving Trinity car much. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna tighten up a couple of these bolts on this Monte Carlo, but we finna throw it in time lapse, and I'm gonna bring the truck in, and I'm gonna leave my toolbox over here. I still haven't got a chance to clean the floors like I had planned to do, but yeah, y'all just stay tuned, man. We got a lot going on. Got the TRX 450 back, still not running. That's another day, another story. Got the frame cleaned up on the Monte Carlo. Now I need to go ahead and do the header panel, tighten it all up. But in the meantime, it's Easter, and I'm just gonna spend a little time with my family. I'm gonna enjoy being with them and try to do as much as I can. So I'm gonna throw y'all on time lapse, man. But Trendy said she liking Slimer, man. She said she liked the bench. She says it's looking pretty good. I don't know why she don't know about it. Been working on this thing forever. But I'm starting to think that I want to get rid of almost. Well, I haven't bought no toys in a long time. Should tell y'all, man, everybody know me. You know, I used to always buy toys. I've been slowing down. I've been doing more building, and I'm really enjoying the building process. So y'all just stay tuned, man. If y'all like four-wheelers, cars, and all that good stuff, man, man, I got a lot more lit content coming. Me and the Bugger, we just gonna hang out a little bit. As y'all can see, she over there taking selfies and doing whatever the hell it is she do. Y'all know how they do, man. Y'all stay tuned, though. Alright, so real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and I hit everything real tight. It look like it's ready for put the cotter pins in there, but I just want to make sure that everything's straight before I put the cotter pins in there. Only thing I can see that may be wrong is the those tie rod ends. They may need to be able to go a little tighter. I might need to hit them with the pneumatic, but like the idler arm is where it needs to be at. For some odd reason, it seemed like it's two different size bolts on almost every bolt on my car. One was 18, one was a 19. Because I was having a hard time getting the top one down with the 19, so I decided to go to 18. The 18 fit a lot snugger than the 19 did. And yeah, man, so still got the brake calipers hanging on by that old line right there. Might need to go back and revisit that line. We definitely need to redo the proportional valve and everything by the time I upgrade all the brakes. But in the meantime, some of this old stuff just gonna have to do. We just gonna make it work. You know what I mean? Some of it, this is what it's gonna be. But scratched up a couple things on it when I was putting it on. But I'll probably come back, scuff that, get everything all scuffed up and put some touch-up black gloss on it. I really think this car would look very good in black. I'm not sure, man. You know, I wanted to go dark plum on it, but it would be cool if I did it black. It wouldn't look bad in it black on this car. It's just I wanted to do a plum and pink combination. That I just didn't think the black and the pink would hit the same. It could, but I'm pretty sure the black and pink already been done. I'm not sure the plum and pink been done. And if it has, it's not gonna be done the way I'm gonna do it. But it's a process. We're just gonna try this button up under this hood. I want everything up under this engine bay to be touched before I move forward. You could definitely tell the difference between the new and the old on the frame paint. I definitely got a couple of spots that I missed that I'm gonna buy some touch-up paint. Probably go back in there and hit it a little bit more. Like I said, I'm gonna keep on hitting this thing till I'm satisfied with it. Then I can move forward with the next part. So until the motor guy gives me a ring, I got a long ways to go. Next, I need to go ahead and I'm waiting on the control arm to come back from powder coating. I need to get the bottom control arm. It's gonna come in with the black gloss. I need to order hub, spring, and the shock. Those are the things that I need to order going into the month of April. But I gotta hold on to my little pennies right now, my little cho-chos, because powder coating for the sway arm is gonna be, I think my powder coating bill gonna probably be about $300-400. So around that way, you know. If I would have bought the pair, I would have been better. But still got more mug stuff for sure. But these right here, these bushings, I need to find the bracket. I don't know if I mentioned this in the video earlier, but these are the mug bushings for the front sway bar. And I'm gonna have to get the brackets to make it fit. Still got those precision tie rod sleeves. Then the radiator support bushings. Now that I have a half drive, I may be able to just pull this out. I may be able to just pull this out because the bottom, that bolt is way bigger. I may be able to just pull this on out. And if I do that, I may just go ahead and just take this off. I might send this to powder coat and get it powder coated black. Not sure, because the paint did well. I may just rescuff it, shoot it again, put it back on, and keep on moving forward like that. But I'll get to that problem when I get to it. I'll probably be back over here to work on this car tomorrow morning. But in the meantime, man, I'm finna go and have some fun with my family and check on my mama and everything. I mean, y'all just keep my mother in prayer. I did put some of those bolts on there, tighten up everything. Just gotta do the ones for the front now, but the back is definitely a lot tighter. Real stiff, just like how it needs to be. But yeah, man, I'm finna go ahead and shut this thing down, man. Get up out of here. So, man, y'all just stay tuned. We got a lot more coming. It's springtime. I got a lot of surprises coming. Contacted some big racers in Dallas, and they was all for doing some collaborations. So we're gonna lock this on up. And man, we'll get back to it Monday, man. Yes, sir.